In scenarios such as tunnels, construction sites, and farms, the camera lens window easily becomes dirty, which affects the surveillance quality. Manual cleaning wastes time and energy, and frequent wiping easily scratch the lens window. Dahua Self-Cleaning Camera is equipped with an automatic water spray cleaning system to ensure the image is always clear. Self-cleaning ensures the lens is as good as new. In tunnels, dust and exhaust from cars easily stick to the camera, causing the image to be blurry. Dahua uses coated glass for lens windows to resist dirt and dust. The camera is equipped with a 2.6-liter large water tank. Add recommended antifreeze washer fluid for use at -30 degrees Celsius. Weekly cleaning guarantees maintenance free for 3 years. The system intelligently monitors water volume and provides reminders in time. The antifreeze washer fluid effectively removes dirt. The double-blade wiper ensures effective cleaning. The tempered glass is wear-resistant, preventing scratches. The glass heating removes the water mist from the window during cleaning. Smart illumination, suitable for various lighting scenarios. Image quality is not ideal in scenarios such as backlighting and low light. The camera is equipped with multi-core lights, an anti-glare illuminator, a lens hood, and AI-ISP image pattern that intelligently adjusts image brightness. Intelligent detection, application scenario adoption. Major accidents are prone to occur in tunnels and construction sites. The self-cleaning camera is equipped with AI detection function, enabling early warnings to reduce the risk of accidents. Easy installation shortens installation time. The inclined tunnel wall and limited monitoring perspective complicate installation. The self-cleaning camera enables easy installation with horizontal and vertical adjustment. A built-in gradienter in the water tank simplifies calibration. The illuminator self-detects and flashes to indicate normal startup, enhancing installation efficiency. The Dahua self-cleaning camera eliminates dirt, providing efficient and stable visual solutions for scenarios prone to dirt.